Hey, welcome to GS Painting. We're here today working on some laundry room cabinets, kind of give them a stress look. So let me walk you through this process. We've got some swelling going on from the MDF, from just, water moisture and stuff in the laundry room. So we're having to sand down some of these areas. Today, what we're going to do is, you can see on these cabinets that there was a stress look effect on these. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get these kind of repaired, sprayed black, and then here in a few days, we'll throw a lacquer on them. Welcome to the laundry room. This is where it seems like, a room that is very well loved. And a lot of the cabinet doors and drawers really get banged up in here. So I think it's been at least 10 years since this has all been redone. So we're going at it today with taking all these drawers and doors off and starting to prep them and get them done. Sometimes you get moisture or water down behind some of that MDF, and you can see that this starts to swell. You can sand it down, but then sometimes you just have to just cut it out and then sand it down and sometimes repair it. Get some 220 sandpaper and just start sanding it down. If we can't get that out, we'll have to throw down some spackle on this, let it dry a little bit, and then we'll sand it again, vacuum it, and spray it. Kind of a process. Welcome to our spray booth. It's portable. Now, I know a lot of guys, there's hundreds of different ways you can do spray booths. I've seen at least a dozen different ways that, other painters do spray booths. We found this to be one of the more simplest, easy ways to set up a spray booth in a garage. We have an old drop cloth here that we've used like hundreds of times. It's very heavy, but it works perfect as it lays down, and then we just run our plastic around the perimeter, stick a fan in here to kind of help blow some of this around, and it makes it real easy. So at night, we can just drop the plastic and shut the bay door. Check your spray pattern, make sure you have enough pressure, pump, and that your spray pattern is looking good. So I always have a test area. Now we're ready. So this is a rack that I found another painting company that actually started selling these off their website. I think it was Idaho Painter. So we checked on their website and saw that they actually sell these pro drying racks. And I was like, oh, we got to get one of these, because we would find like everywhere we could to kind of, set all our cabinet doors and drawers up, to just dry. Once I saw that they had these really cool rack systems, it was one of those must-gets. We have these cabinet doors that we're doing, and we're putting on a flat black latex. And then we're waiting 48 hours for it to kind of oxidize. Then we give it the stress look, and then we throw lacquer on it. A lot of people kind of hem and haw about, oh no, you can't put lacquer over latex. Well, actually, if you use a flat and you wait for it to oxidize for about 48 hours, you'll be fine with lacquering right over it with no problem. Today I just have a little Magnum X5 Graco. I kind of let this thing just sit and lacquer all the time. This is kind of my little lacquer pump for when we do clear coats and lacquering and stuff like that. Today I use my favorite, which is a Sherwin-Williams. It's a Sherwood high build lacquer. Most of the time I'm always lean towards the medium rud, which is kind of more of a satin. Obviously it's a pre-cat, so you have to catalyze it with a couple 3 ounces of catalyst. And then, once you activate the pot, then you have about 4 months to use up the rest of this when, whatever we don't use up today. Hey, I hope you liked our channel. If you like it, comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll catch you guys next time.